Today I'm going to talk a very serious topic about the killing of Hussein, the grandson of Nabi Muhammad. He was brutally killed under the order of Yazid. Yazid, the son of Muawiyah. Muawiyah was the first king of the Muslims, and Muawiyah is the same guy who is considered a gustaf. Basically, he insulted the call of Nabi Muhammad. During the time of Nabi Muhammad said, "Go and call Muawiyah." Muawiyah said, "What? Why? I'm eating." Again, he answers same and same. Basically, he answers the same again and again. I'm eating, later I will come. I'm eating. The Prophet is calling you, and you're telling you are eating. And Nabi Muhammad give him the badua. Curse him. Till his lifetime, his belly cannot be filled. That's why Muawiyah's stomach was very out. The hadith is Sahih Muslim 268. And Muawiyah used to kill innocent Muslim and eat innocent Muslim property, their gold, their money. Sahih Muslim 4776. So we already established the contact. And Muawiyah, the same person who insulted Umar. Basically, he said in front of Umar's son, "I am more right to be a caliph than your father." He was a Gustake Rasul, he was a Gustake Umar, he killed innocent Muslim, but he did some good things. I will not like be Shia. No, I will not send any curse. But Nabi Muhammad sent the curse on him. Basically, lanat. His stomach cannot be fulfilled. But I will respect. But I will not respect the dog of hell, Yazid ibn Muawiyah. Yazid ibn Muawiyah is the son of King Muawiyah. The first King Muawiyah, the second King Yazid. I will not respect the governor which was handpicked by Muawiyah, the king, the first Muawiyah. The king Muawiyah, the governor of Khorasan, and Yazid made him the governor of Sham, Syria, Abdullah bin Zaid. The same person who disrespect Hussein after killing him, he played with his head. Basically, the tray of the Imam Hussein was brought to Abdullah ibn Zaid, and he played with Hussein's head and said, his face, the face of Hussein looked exactly like Nabi Muhammad. Don't you have any shame on you, Abdullah ibn Zaid? You are poking a nose with stick and saying that his face looked like exactly like Nabi Muhammad, the biggest gustak in the world. And the person who stopped water, Umar ibn Saad, didn't have shame. He stopped cut off the water so I can go and on. But this one will not end. I'm not Shia, I'm Sunni. I have given the reference of the book. Dare to prove me wrong. I will black my face if I'm wrong. I tell you, Sahih Bukhari 3748, I already presented a hadith where they made fun and play with the head of Imam Hussein. I have given the hadith of being Gustake Rasul of Muawiyah. I have given the hadith he used to kill innocent Muslims. I can go on and on, but there is no end. So do not defend blindly Muawiyah. Just say, let's leave the matter to Allah. He did a lot of bad things. Because of that, we have Shia Sunni. If there was no Muawiyah, Muawiyah is the same person who take the Caliphate and turned into kingdom by force from Hassan, Imam Hassan Razitala Anhu. There was 5 Khalifa, not 4. 5th Khalifa of the Muslim Ummah was Hassan, Abu Bakr, Umar, Usman, Ali, and Hassan. After the 6 months, there's a lot of conspiracy. I'm not gonna talk. One of them is that he was poisoned, but basically he took the caliphate from Hassan and turned into a kingdom. And Muawiyah was the first king. My point is not to call for a sectarian violence. My point is very simple. Stand for the truth. You love your Muawiyah. Muawiyah is your father. On the day of judgment, let's you be raised with Muawiyah, and I should be raised with Imam Hussein. I love my Hussein. My life is for Hussein honor and my dignity. O Nabi Muhammad. O Mawla Ali. We didn't save your son. We didn't save your grandson. Forgive us. But I will defend him. If anyone say Yazid Raditala Anno, Sand Lanat, the day he is born. Sand Lanat, the day he is born, who sang Razitalan to Yazid. Read the hadith I give you. Dare to prove me wrong. I will argue with Shia later. First, I need to argue with this Salfi, this Al Hadith, this Deobandi. I will argue.